So once you open up Canva, go to the top where the search bar is, click on it, then type in wedding invitation video template. Afterwards, hit enter. I'm going to use this one for example. Afterwards, select customize this template. So you can make some various changes to the template video for a wedding invitation. If you select the text, you can go to the top here where it says font. Then you can change it to something else such as Canva Sans, Roboto, and so on. You can change it to whatever suits your style and the theme of the wedding. I'm going to use this one for example. Then you can also change the size of the text. You can increase the size, reduce the size, and so on. And another thing that you can do is you can add in a separate page. Let's say that you want to add in a separate video to the timeline. You're going to go to the bottom here, then select the plus icon, and that's going to add in a separate page. And let's say that you want to customize this separate page. You can go to the left side, then select elements. So from here, Canva has added many designs that you can add to your images and videos. So you can include graphics. So if I go back to the first image, I can add in something like this flower. So once you've found the image that you want to add, you're going to simply drag it into the canvas, then place it at the back to make it look nicer. Then once you're done, you're going to go to the top right corner, then select share, then go to download. And the suggested file type will be an MP4 because this is a video template. So once you're done doing that, you can also change the quality. You can drag it to increase it, 720p, 1080p, and so on. And then you can also select the pages that you want to download, page 1 and 2. Afterwards, you're going to select download. And there you go.